Okay, so 1.1 exponential notation. So we got to break down what that means first of all. What is the key word in exponential? In exponential, yeah. You what? Exponent. Give me an example of an exponent.
5 with the little 3 above it.
With a little 3 above it.
48.
No, next to it above.
Oh, this way? Oh, on the right side. Got it. Hey, Carlos, that's not going to work for me. Yeah, 5 to the third power, otherwise known as 5. Or what's another way that you would call it? If it's something to the third? 5. So 5 to the second power would be 5 squared. 5 to the third power is?
I said cubed.
5 cubed, yes.
So 4 times.
Notation is a fancy word for what?
I forgot. I knew it.
No, not no and o. Think. Note. It's just writing, or the way that you write exponents. That's all this is. Exponents and the way that you write them. It sounds a lot less scary than exponential notation, although exponential notation does sound pretty cool, I have to admit. So 5 times 5 times 5, 5 cubed. If you look on, oh, actually I should explain this part here first. So now that we have the example 5 cubed, 5 is what's known as the base, and 3 is what's known as the, you already said it earlier, the exponent. Base exponent. So on the bottom of 5, 1.2 is the what? Bottom of page 5. 1.2 is the
base.
Base, and 6 is the
Exponent.
What about B? What is the base in B?
-4.
-4, yes, not just 4, -4. And number 5 and 5 is the base.
You said base.
4, when it is -4, what is it, -4 to the third power?
Yeah.
It doesn't
No,
really matter. Fifth power? Okay. We're gonna touch on this later, but what's the base here? What? Nope.
It's just 4.
Here, the base is 4, and here sorry, this one's -4, and this one is just +4. Yeah?
Is that because you could have like 20 minus 4 over to the 5th power?
I'll put it this way. So it comes down to order of operations, right?
Mm-hmm.
These are left to right. Parentheses come first. This says, hey, this is the number -4, and it's to the 5th power. Exponents come second. This says, hey, you've got 4, it's to the 5th power, and the number is negative, because this is essentially saying -1 times 4 to the 5th power. That's what negative in front of it means. It's like -1 times that. But exponents come before multiplication, so the bases are different. Order of operations. Exponents come first here. Here, this is essentially the same thing. And if this is the same thing, 4 is the base, not -4. Because you got to do the exponents before you do the actual multiplication times -1. Make sense? Okay. Next page, we're going to skip those ones because they're boring. Guided practice on page 6. You guys can look at those. 2 times 2 times 2 is 6 squared. Yes or no?
2 times 2 times 2. No.
Why not? 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6.
Okay.
What is 2 times 2 times 2?
It's 8.
Yeah, but in exponential notation.
4 to
Nope.
whatever. Oh no, that's 4 times itself.
What is it in exponential notation? Madison already said one earlier. Ooh, that's way not where I want to be. Where did it go? Right here. She said 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 times 5. So what then is
Oh,
2 times 2 times 2?
2 cubed.
Yeah,
I
it's
was so
2 cubed.
confused.
What about, is this true? 23 to the 4th power, is that 23 times 23 times 23? Whoops, that's 22. I don't know about you. Is that true? Yeah, because it's got 4 of them, 23 to the 4th power. Yeah, so you're going to have some true false for the assignment. It's not super challenging. Bottom of page 6, write repeated multiplication using exponential notation. What about, how would I write this? Negative 3 times negative 3. Whoops, negative 3. Negative 3. Negative 3. What would that be? Someone come up here and write it.
Oh shoot, that makes sense. Wait.
I'm not gonna touch it. Go for it. Got it.
She managed to not catch it.
How'd that fixed mindset work for you?
It worked great.
Okay. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. You tell me. Agree, disagree, stay here. Agree, disagree.
Yeah, agree. No, disagree. It's fine.
What's wrong?
Oh, there's 5 of them. I didn't see that.
Okay, why is it not this?
Wait, where is it?
Why is it not this? You're right, you had the right answer earlier. Why is it not negative 3 to the 5th power? Why is it negative 3 in parentheses to the 5th power? What? Why is it not negative 3 to the 5th power? What did we just talk about with...
Yeah, it's kind of.
Yeah?
Because exponents of the parentheses.
Yeah, because you've got, hey, negative 4 is the base to the 5th power. This is negative 1 times 4 to the 5th power. Are they going to be the same thing? They might be the same thing. It depends. Is your answer, do you have a really it depends on if you have an odd number here or if you have an even number here. Let's, I'll give you an example. So let's say you've got negative 3 to the 3rd power and negative 3 in parentheses to the 3rd power. Well, this is negative 3 times negative 3 times, oh wait, that's not true. Negative 3 in parentheses to the 3rd power. So this is 3 times 3 times 3, and it's actually negative 1 times that. Because exponents comes first, 3 times 3 times 3, negative 1 times that. What's 3 times 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is?
9.
9 times 3 is?
8, 27.
27. 27 times negative 1 is?
Shoot. Negative 27.
Negative 27. Now we have negative 3. Ooh, that was bad. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. What's negative 3 times negative 3?
Negative 27.
No, I said negative 3 times negative 3.
Oh, 9. Negative
9. Now I have, what's 9 times negative 3?
I don't know, actually.
What's 9 times 3?
27.
What's a positive number times a negative number?
Negative.
Negative. So 9 times negative 3 is?
Negative 27.
Negative 27. Did they equal the same thing there?
Yeah.
So they should always equal the same thing, right?
Nope.
No. If I have, let's say I have negative 3 squared and negative 3 parentheses squared. This is negative 1 times 3 times 3. What's 3 times 3?
3 times 3?
Yeah.
9.
9 times negative 1?
Negative 9.
Negative 9. If I have, this is negative 3 times negative 3. What's negative 3 times negative 3?
Positive 9?
Positive 9. Are they the same thing?
Nope.
No. Ladies, are we paying attention?
Yeah, I'm writing down.
Okay. So really, what matters most if even exponent a negative base will be positive. If odd exponent, negative base, sorry, I should say positive answer, will be negative answer. Good? Need more time? Okay.
Abby?
We just take turns doing math.
Okay. What if I have 1/2 x times 1/2 x times 1/2 x? What does that look like?
Foreign language.
That's weird.
I can't. Because it's.
1/2 x times 1/2 x times 1/2 x. What is it? Oh no, there's a variable.
Shoot, I didn't hit record.
You're lying.
Would I put 1/2, 3x?
I'm not gonna make a comment.
Thanks.
You got it. I trust you.
You shouldn't.
I don't trust you.
That's a
Too
good
bad.
decision.
I don't trust myself.
Neither do
Look
I.
at that.
I'm just gonna do what my mind is telling me to do.
There we go.
Probably completely wrong.
Okay, so you have 1/2 times 3 x cubed. So here's where your mind, tell me if I'm wrong. Your mind went like, yeah, I've got 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. So I've got 1/2 times 3.
But I
And then
thought
you've got x times x times x, that's x cubed.
I thought, no, I thought 3 x's and I don't.
Where'd you get the 3?
Oh, so you did 3x because there's 3 x's?
Yeah, I don't.
So that would be x plus x plus x would be 3x.
So it just be 1/2.
Wouldn't it just be 1/2 x cubed?
It's 1/2 x cubed, yes. So actually what you have here, when you actually do 1/2 x and then you cube it, you are gonna get you got 1/2, it is 1/2 times, oh, I'm gonna rewrite that. So you get 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. If you're gonna like do it all out, 1/2 times x times x times x. So you'll get 1/8 x cubed if you're gonna actually do everything out. I'm not asking you to do it all out, I just want an exponential notation. Exponential notation, what's the base?
2.
Nope.
1/2.
1/2. Not just 1/2, 1/2
X.
x, and the exponent?
3.
Good?
No,
Why not?
parentheses around the 1/2.
Yeah, because 1/2 x specifically is the base, because I wrote that out by itself, by itself, by itself. So 1/2 x to the third power. Okay, what about, see if I can trick you guys again. Now we're gonna move on to the next part. All right, page 7. What if it says to expand? So expand just means take this and write it out long form. So that means you write out -4 times -4. That's it. This is expanding. Take -4 squared, write -4 times -4 because it's there twice. Seems pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you were going for it. What?
Isn't that what you have to do already?
So what you guys were doing before, you were doing the opposite. It said write it in exponential notation. This is expanded form, and this is exponential notation. Exponential notation, you have a base and an exponent. Expanded form, you just write it all out long form. So they just want you to be able to do it both ways. So if I've got 2/3 to the 5th power, your turn.
Whoa.
Oh, I forgot to mention something. The other part of this is that you have to actually do the multiplication. So -4 times -4 is what, ladies? -4 times -4, what is it? Positive what?
16.
Yeah, positive 16. So you have to actually, expanded form, you'll also have to write out what it actually is. All right, now you get to have fun.
Okay.
This part gets a little bit tricky. You guys already watched K3? No. Part 1 was split into 2 days. Day 1 was split into 2 parts on YouTube. Day 2, I just taught you guys. Day 3 is the next one. Okay? So everything I taught today, then you were like, already know.
Do I have to solve it?
Yeah, you have to simplify it.
That's simplified, didn't you?
This is written in exponential notation. I want you to evaluate what is all of these numbers
I
times each
forgot how
other.
to do that. Right there. No,
Okay.
I don't.
You know? Okay.
No, actually, I don't. Right.
Okay. How do you do 1/2 times 1/2?
It's like one hole over it. There are like 3 holes or 4.
Ladies, can you help him out? He's having
I
some
actually
troubles.
just
He's
don't
having some
remember.
troubles with some 5th grade math. What is 1/2 times 1/2? How do I do a fraction times a fraction?
Madison, if you know this, just someone hear Leah say it.
I think I did it wrong.
What is it? 1/2 times 1/2. How do you multiply fractions?
You.
See, nobody remembers this.
I don't remember.
Madison?
That would be multiplying. That would be dividing by, when you're instead of dividing by a fraction, it's multiplying by a reciprocal.
Nobody remembers how to multiply fractions, which is a problem, actually.
Man, I wish I had a 5th grader in here that could come in and show you guys this. Multiply fractions, you go straight across.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't. You said 1 whole was your answer.
Oh my goodness, that was my
That's
thought.
adding.
No, what I did was even worse. I did 1 times 1 is 2, so that's what I thought.
Yes, 1/4.
Wow.
So what is this then? I'm gonna cross that off so it doesn't get
Oh my
confusing.
goodness, this is all have multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. 32, right, across the
2
top.
times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Wait. 4. Here, what I like to do is
It's like
4, 8, 16, yep, 32.
so then 3 times 9, 27. Oh my goodness. Going back to okay.
You can write out 27 times 3, dude.
9, 27. Why'd I put a line there?
Did you just divide 27 and 3?
No, I accidentally put a line
Oh
there.
boy.
Just wait. 3 times 7 is 21. 1, 2, 6, 8.
Okay.
81. I should have known that. It's just
Yes, you should have known that. All right.
3 times that many.
So he's doing. You keep on talking. I'm just gonna talk through for them what you're doing. He's doing 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times this 3 is 27. 27 times that 3 is 81, and now he's doing 81 times 3 to get the last number. Because you have to do multiplication over and over and over and over again until you get that bottom number. Yep, that's right. Yeah, get that matrix.
I can't.
You have to write off to the side. Okay, you're good.
Wait, don't have to. No.
No, you do have to circle it, but you don't have to put parentheses around it. All it is multiplying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, multiplying 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Pretty simple, right? You just have to do basic multiplication, which you guys know how to do. Do I have any other ones I want to give you? Yeah. 2 guided practice, 9 and 10, then you guys can go.